Wheezer wrote most of this book. His friend Denise gave him the toy squirrel, and I just took pictures while he played with it. After printing the pictures, I saw the story. This book is dedicated to my writing teacher, T. Corinne, and all my friends who support my love of squirrels. Please know it is not a good idea to have a healthy squirrel as a pet. In most states, it is also illegal. Hi, my name is Wheezer. I fell from my nest as an infant. Some nice human passers-by were kind enough to pick me up. They took me to a wildlife rehabilitation center, and this is where my life was saved. I was very sick the first 4 weeks and needed 24-hour care. When I became a healthy 2-month-old squirrel, it was discovered that I could never be returned to the forest. When I fell from my nest, I knocked my jaw crooked. My bottom teeth would grow into my nose if they were not trimmed every 4 weeks. The human who raised me took me home to live with her. She built a 3-story squirrel condo where I stay when she is not at home. Otherwise, I am out playing around the house. I even get along with her 5 cats. I outsmart them every time. But I got lonely for squirrels, and one day my human brought home Peanut. She's not exactly like me, but close enough. And even though my human is very intuitive with me, she is just a hair shy of a squirrel. Now I have someone to relate real squirrel stuff to. I told her my deepest secrets, and then she told me hers. She too had been lonely. She was living in a store with other toys, but no squirrels. I could relate to that. We shared squirrel food and then played squirrel groom and tickle games for hours. But soon we had to take a rest. I asked her, would she like to stay and live with me? Please stay. I'll share my favorite food with you. But she wasn't sure, which made me very sad. Hey, come, let me show you my condo. Well, what do you think? She said she would stay. I am one lucky squirrel. But you know, even though I love my new friend, the one I love the best is my human, Anne. This book is dedicated to my dear Wheezer. He passed away April 21st, 2005. He will forever be in my